Okay, let's go join. Let's join.
Ba't wala kang damitan na anuhan, Arlene? Yung...
It's hard. I just on it there.
No, it's not.
Puro hangin.
O kaya, ang request
Yeah,
ko tayo,
What's that
sariling
way?
room gawin ng room.
What's your way?
Closet.
Hey, what are you doing? Why are you playing? Wait, what?
Ano, report kami.
I'm not even there.
Sa taas na kami mag-aana.
Sa taas na yun.
Someone.
Wait, what?
Someone. Trick
Parang
us.
private.
Someone. Trick us.
I'm in a public.
Where's someone? Could you
What?
die?
Is someone playing? Someone playing? Oh,
Wait, in the poster! It's right in front of my gun.
shoot, shoot, shoot. Keep shooting, keep shooting.
Hindi kaya.
You got him?
Tapos sila ate.
Yes, I got them.
Sa taas na.
It's right there.
Oh, you're in public.
Yung baba nila, yung ano.
Oh, that's my bed.
wala
It's
na
so
yung
yucky.
pama nila.
Yeah, Tata.
Sa akin.
Yes.
Who are you? Hi, Corby.
Let's open some chests, guys.
Chicken to, Arlene, ano?
Oh,
And this
no.
box is so really good.
Ano mo kay Michael? Kasi kulay ano na, hindi na siya kulay ano eh. Baka sira.
Ooh, I got a. Whoa, I got a mythic.
Oh, no.
Kulay.
You see me?
Let's check it out. Let's check it out.
Hindi. Ano yung sakit mo?
Bro, oh damn, that looks sick.
Oh, that's okay. I'm weeping.
Hey, come on, join me.
Now, but that was good.
Masyugan! Masyugan! Ito lang kakat yung grade. Masyugan!
This is hard. Mommy. Can you help me?
Pinasok ni Mama sa rin.
Yay. Kuya, let's go race.
3, 2,
Let's shoot. You won.
I win. Mine's blue.
Let's go.
Mine's red.
Let's go.
Okay, I beat that.
Okay, what's this? What did I do? Kuya.
They're cheating.
I want cheating.
Shoot. 3, 2. Basta!
What you gonna say? Ay, sa atin, ito bilhin ng 1K. Papalit daw.
What the?
Sino? Ito nung nandito, binabay sa kanya. Say, gusto naman ito, nakatalis ka daw.
What the?
Abangan ko na lang yung live
I
namin.
don't love it.
Alright, come on, let's go play.
Yeah.
Hurry up! Oh, poopy.
I think it's hard.
Kasi ate din mo, binigay kahit 1K.
Is it hard? Here you go, let's play.
Oh, yeah.
Papalit tayo ng alam.
This is
Yung garter. Meron yun yung...
Okay, pick a gun.
mo si Pinoy ano?
done.
I'm gonna pick this.
Papalaro siya sa mga...
See, mommy?
Tapos yung color, don't touch the
Let's just
color.
do one more color and then you won't lose, don't worry. 260. Oh man. What are you doing? I fell down.
Eh, ano mo ka lang straight lang?
Straight.
See, I never saw these. Okay, you want that? See, I never saw these.
Okay, have an idea. I have an idea.
I have
No worries.
okay. That's cheating!
This is cheating?
Yes.
Fine, I'll choose a different gun.
Just use a sword.
Okay.
And then use a gun.
Yan na, pinili
And then use a sword. Use a gun. There. Okay. What the? What's this?
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Chill, chill.
Ano mo kayo?
What the? What the? Mama, I never study.
Wait.
What's this though?
Hindi ko alam kung hindi siya kulay. Hindi mo naman pala yun eh.
Okay. What is that?
Where are you? I see you, I see you.
I don't know. Oh yeah, okay, fine.
What's this? Ano? Palit ako sa latte?
Why?
I don't know. Someone killed me.
Someone killed you? Someone killed me too. Yeah, that was funny. See ya. Oh no, that's cheating.
Oh, whoa, whoa. No!
That's not.
Okay,
I was at my medicine to buy you.
okay then.
Yeah, that was funny.
Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Slow down. I fell down! Time to begin the big guns. Big guy. Big guy. God, big guy. Pants okay.
Just try.
Mama, see you never show me.
Pinupunta akong biyak pa. Dalawang beses ko yung tatlo.
What the?
Boom!
Kaya di ang nandun. Ano naman siya lagi?
What?
Ayan mo. Buwag ka. Hindi naman nakakatanggal ng mag-alis
See you never show me.
Kalat lang na ano.
Cheating! No, this is cheating.
Wala. Boom!
No, I don't want to die. I would again. I want to die. Oh yeah.
I fall down! Boom!
You win.
Now let's team. Now let's team.
Yay. Cyber suit. Study.
Kaya try mo nga straight. Straight na ba rin? Yung hanggang sa pinto.
What?
Hindi, dito ka hanggang sa pinto. Ay, baliw naman. Ano ka ba? I-straight mo hanggang doon. Ay, lalaanin.
Straight down.
Hindi ka tama sa wala.
Mommy, come here. There. Cyber suit.
Ayusin mo kasi.
Stop.
Ano? Nakataob eh.
Baliktad kasi yung ano mo eh. Ay,
Mommy,
tama
just
pala.
do the side.
Kaya tatay ko.
Ay, kaya. Ay, upside down. Kyler, ang galing eh. Tingnan mo.
Wait!
Let me try.
Me, try! I want to...
Ay, mali daw pala to, guys.
Alright, we're playing. Go, we're a team. Oh, we're a team.
Okay.
Show nanay.
Whoa!
I'm fine. Okay, guys. We're
Yes.
playing.
When I don't be your team,
Yep, we're a team, buddy.
I will put you.
Okay, shoot me, buddy.
Sabi
Alright.
sabi ng 50. Sabi yata tanong ko po sa 15 to 20k lang.
Ow, I got. Go, keep shooting. Nice one.
Kuya, that one.
Kyler, behind you.
Bye-bye.
Behind you.
Bye. Shut up!
No.
What did that mean?
Kyler, I'm gonna die. No!
Tapos ginagaya pa.
Guys, no. Kyler, we need to fix this.
Si Kyler, anong wishlist? Ay, Kyler, alam na robot. Kyrie, malaki na big siya na Kyrie. Ano sa'yo?
It's Lucy.
Yung wishlist niya sa school na school to print lang.
I got one. One more to go.
Kyrie, hanggang 12 lang kayo ha, tapos mamaya ka lang 5 na kayo ulit pwede mag-cellphone.
Let's go!
Kain natin kay Mami!
Let's go!
Come here, eat na.
There's one behind you. I died. Kyler!
I'm sorry!
I will shoot you.
No! I didn't kill Mommy! Kuya, don't just shoot me like this!
Kaya,
Mm. I'm gonna die.
dati naman pagka isa lang yung gatas sa bote na nililinis niya, isang bote lang pinainom mo. Sabi ko nung tataingay, baka mamaya sa gatas.
I'm gonna die. No. Ah,
You do the rules. I was trying to do it again.
guys, I'm gonna die. I need to die.
I got fire again! I got fire!
Don't worry, I got the shotgun.
I got fire!
Oh my. Okay, nice one.
They're cooked.
Next one.
They're cooked, guys.
Another one, Aaron. Next to you. Right behind you. No!
I'm trying to shoot them! Good, let's switch.
Crossbow, flare, yes. Let's go.
How did you do that?
Come on.
I'm running.
No, I died. No. Kyler, no.
Good, can you help me? Wait. Oh,
I'm not
yeah.
gonna play with you here. Let's take them to spring nuts.
Yay! I love playing with this is favorite. It's my favorite.
Let's go play. Oh, you want soccer?
I want to play Play versus Play Nuts.
Mm,
And how I play cricket?
no.
I would play cricket.
Tyler, here.
Bye.
But there we go. This looks nice. I don't know what to play. Let's just play this one. Zombies.
Yay! Oh yeah, I don't touch that again.
Where's mine? I didn't get mine. Shoot. Get mine.
Yeah, you do like this?
Yeah, this thing, the flying. It's a plane.
Wait.
Where? I found it. And I found. Join me.
Why is not working?
Join me.
Anyway, sorry. It's Christmas Day.
Come on. Where are you? I can't see. Okay, I see. I'm jumping. Follow me. Over here. Here, I'm jumping. Hurry! Yes!
Loser, you like a noob.
I'm floating.
Just floating?
Okay, ready?
Yes.
Alright, let's go.
I know that board. The header zombie.
No, you got the checkpoint. I get the zombies, okay?
Okay. Got it! Going down!
It's a snowman.
Oh, I need a zombie to hide you.
Okay, I'm gonna go get the checkpoint. Ow. I'm dying. No, I'm dying.
Huh?
Oh, no. Go get the checkpoint, hurry. Yeah, nice one. Keep going. Get the checkpoint.
I'm here.
Nice. Good job. I fell down, are you kidding?
This is a Bible.
Go buy the money. You have more money?
Yes.
Wait, we need to get all the zombies first.
Okay, you have no zombies.
Okay. If you die, I'll get the checkpoint.
Look, I'm down. First,
Gotcha. Ooh! Just fell down. Zombie. Got him. Right behind you, Kyler. Ah!
let's go.
Oh, get the zombies from here. Go get the checkpoint. I got this.
No, I died.
Okay, I got it.
I died again.
I got it. I got the checkpoint.
I know you died. Thanks my help. It's my help. Come on, that's my checkpoint. So, oh yeah, I will handle this.
Ah!
We will handle zombies. And I will get checkpoint. I got you.
You got him?
Yes. Okay.
I got. Ow!
Oh yeah, I said don't die.
Did you get the checkpoint?
Yeah.
Nice. Okay. Oh. You're gonna die. I don't know. I'm gonna buy a mystery box. What do I get? Ooh, a good gun. Oh, wow. That's so powerful. Did you get the checkpoint?
Yes. Not yet. Need to
Okay.
finish
Go.
one.
Open the door. I wanna open the door.
You like, wow, how did that sell my money? Yes. Will you don't checkpoint?
Okay, got it. Behind you.
Wait, what is that? Nothing here.
It's TV man.
It's TV. It's zombies.
Got him. Okay. Behind you.
Wait, what? I want my help.
I got the checkpoint.
Oh yeah, wait for me. Oh yeah, wait for me. I need diapers. Oh yeah, don't want to hide you. I will dodge you. You had no zombies. I will go with you. I will do that.
Come on, guys. Oh, no. No. You got it. Come on, noob. Let's do this, noob.
I thought no.
Your name is noob, okay?
Oh.
Ay. Pinibuli mo siya. Hindi. Siya nga yung pangalan. Noob.
I'm not sure.
Ay, Kyler, noob.
Kuya!
What's your name?
Kuya, don't tell me that. Tell me you and Baba.
I got a minigun. Got a minigun. There's a minigun over there. Get it. Over there.
Huh? No, I
Okay,
don't want.
go.
What the? I died.
That's it. Yeah.
Bye-bye.
I need
You're so cool.
1,750.
That's cool. You're so cool.
Oh, there's a heal potion. Let's go.
You're so cool.
Gotcha.
I don't have enough money.
Pambalo.
Father Ball.
Ay, na!
Bomba Clop. What's so funny about Bomba Clop? Bomba Clop. Open the door. Bomba Clop. Yeah, Bomba Clop. Okay, your name is Bomba Clop, okay?
No.
Let's go, Bomba Clop. Bomba Clop in the house,
Oh,
yeah.
yeah, you go.
I got 6-7 damage. Seriously, 6-7? Alright, next checkpoint.
Wait.
Bomba Clop, watch out! Bombardiro Crocodilo, Chipmachini. Behind you, Bomba Clop. What's so funny about Bomba Clop? This is a name.
No. My name.
Bobo Bo? I fell down! Bomba Clop, no! Bomba Clop!
Bubble Bob. What have I done? No, the bug you.
Miss. Open the next door. Next door? I fell down. Bomba Clop, come on, Bomba Clop.
I will do this. I will do this.
Get the checkpoint, Bomba Clop.
Bubble.
Did you get the checkpoint?
Wait, I have more
Get the
teeth.
checkpoint! Get the checkpoint!
Yeah, but wait! I messed it down.
Are you kidding me? Come on, Bomba Clop. Oh, Stevie, boo 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 boo. It's Stevie, man. Ow. A minigun. I got the minigun. Oh, man, I got it.
Oh, yeah.
Sorry. Let's open one more mystery blocks. Let's see what do I get. Get out of my way, Bomba Clop. Oh, this gun is so OP.
Wait, what is that?
I don't know, it's so cool.
Good to sit down. Wait, I was at the set boy.
Ah, TV woman.
Wait, TV worm. Call me Bubble.
Bomba Clop. Open the door.
Bubble.
Go. Continue. Minigun. Get it.
Yes, I did the zombies there. I did that.
I fall down.
I take that zombies there. Take that.
Oh my god, I
Take
keep
that.
falling down. Oh, there you go. Keep going. Nice, Bomba Clop. What's so funny about Bomba Clop?
Money.
It's nothing funny about Bomba Clop. It's just a name.
Yeah.
Okay, your name is Bomba Clop, not Kyler.
Yeah.
Your name is Bomba Clop. We're behind you, Bomba Clop. Gotcha.
Kuya. Oh, Kuya. What's
No,
up?
Kyler. That's fine. I'll call you Bumbleclaw.
I'm going to poo.
Stop.
Stop.
Okay, nice.
Woohoo.
Go.
Oh,
Behind you.
I just
Ow. I can get the sniper. Okay.
Kuya, you did the check for dates. You're almost there. Kuya, we'll handle this. Kuya, we'll handle this.
I can't see.
Kuya, I will help you.
Go on the top. I'll stay here at the bottom.
Kuya,
With you, Bumbleclaw.
I will do this, guys.
Come on, we're gonna do this for our subscribers. Come on.
I'm a YouTuber.
Yeah.
He's going to grow up, guys. He's going to win this, guys. Don't rest that yet.
Okay, now we need more money. We need 200. 2,000? How much money do we have? 1,000. There's only 40 left, so we got to get this.
Kuya, I need to try myself. Goodbye.
Got him. Okay, nice. Come on, let's do this. Nice, let's go. Nice. Let's go. Gotcha. Behind you. The wizard. Gotcha. The zombie right there. Gotcha. Keep running. Go. But I got more money. Let's beat this final boss. Time to summon you. 3, 2, 1. Ow. Like this. Minigun out of it. Shoot. Oh no, take this is for my friend. No, I'm gonna die. Like this. Yeah. Like this. Like that. Almost there. 3,000 HP.
Bukas kaya tayo mo lang ng avatar.
I'm almost there. Take this. Wow. Finish! Ang double finishes! Finish! Ikaw din.
Ah! Ah! Oh, you lose the bottle.
And that's the end of Kyler's World. Goodbye.